Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your study schedule with AIFS detailed guide step by step clearly. To reset your study schedule with AIFS, start by evaluating your current routine. Identify the subjects or areas where you feel you need more focus. Determine any obstacles that are hindering your study efforts. Gather your materials, including textbooks, notes, and digital resources. Next, set clear and achievable goals for each subject. Break these goals down into smaller, manageable tasks. Use a calendar or planner to visualize your study weeks. Allocate specific time slots for each subject based on your goals. Consider your most productive hours for studying when creating your schedule. Incorporate regular breaks to maintain your focus and energy. Ensure you include time for review and self-assessment. Adjust your study techniques to keep the learning process engaging. Stay flexible and be open to modifying your schedule as needed. Regularly evaluate your progress and make necessary changes. Seek feedback from peers or instructors if you're facing challenges. By following these steps, you can create an effective study schedule with AIFS. This will help you stay organized and enhance your learning experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.